Luke chapter 22 from verse 39 to verse 46. Jesus go on Mount Olive just like he always do, and him special follower them did go with him. When he reached there, Jesus said to them, say, pray say uno no face nothing where we cause uno for sin. Jesus go inside, not too far from them, and kneel down and pray. Father, if you want to do it, take the cup here from me. But if I know that you want, all right then. One angel from heaven come to Jesus and make him strong. Jesus did a suffer, and that make him pray harder. In sweat come in like blood a drop of ground. Jesus get up from which part in did a pray. In go back to him special follower them. Uncle Fissy say, them asleep. Them did tired out, cause all of this in them where Jesus did tell them did a take it well hard. Jesus asked them, why make you no asleep? Get up and pray, man, so you no face nothing where we cause you for sin. A God Wod Dis. Thank God.